What if one journey could change our understanding of life itself? For one young naturalist, a 5-year voyage would do just that, challenging everything we thought we knew about the natural world and our place within it. This is the story of Charles Darwin and the birth of a revolutionary idea. In 1831, a 22-year-old Charles Darwin set sail from Plymouth, England, aboard the HMS Beagle. His mission was to chart the coastline of South America, but for Darwin, it was the beginning of an intellectual adventure. As the ship cut through the Atlantic, a map tracing its path, the world was a vast, unanswered question waiting to be explored. His journey into the unknown had begun, one that would lead to a theory that would shake the foundations of science. Arriving in South America, Darwin was immediately struck by the continent's geological marvels. High in the Andes Mountains, far from any ocean, he discovered fossilized marine shells embedded in the rock. This discovery was a profound puzzle. This was the first piece of evidence that the world was much older and more dynamic than previously imagined. His explorations led to even more astonishing finds. Darwin unearthed the colossal fossilized remains of extinct creatures. Animated comparisons would later show these ancient giants next to their smaller, living relatives, sparking a crucial question in Darwin's mind. Where did these creatures go, and why did they so closely resemble the animals alive today? This remote volcanic archipelago was a living laboratory, teeming with unique species found nowhere else on Earth. Darwin observed marine iguanas, the only lizards to forage in the sea, and giant tortoises whose shell shapes varied distinctly from one island to the next. He realized that each island's environment had seemingly sculpted its inhabitants, a hint of a deeper process at work. Darwin meticulously collected specimens of these small, unassuming birds. He initially thought they were different species, but later realized they were all finches, closely related yet uniquely adapted. Animated sequences revealed how their beaks were perfectly shaped for their specific diets. Short, powerful beaks for cracking hard seeds, slender, sharp beaks for probing for insects, and longer beaks for sipping nectar from cactus flowers. Back in his cramped cabin on the Beagle, surrounded by notes, specimens, and sketches, Darwin began to connect the dots. In a flash of insight, he sketched a branching diagram in his notebook, his first tree of life, illustrating how all species could descend from a common ancestor. Years passed after his return to England. Darwin, now a respected scientist, diligently refined his theory, gathering more evidence and preparing his argument. He worked tirelessly at his desk in Down House, knowing his ideas would be controversial. Finally, in 1859, the world was introduced to On the Origin of Species. The book was an instant sensation, proposing that life evolves through a process he called natural selection. Darwin's journey had not just been around the world. It had been a journey into the very heart of life's intricate and interconnected story. An older, wiser Darwin had given humanity a new way to see itself, forever changing our understanding of the living